here on the face. Now I can come up this way, down like so, then I can step this way. Or I can do it more directly without the same step. So here. Okay, that's the way I do it most basically. Alright. Yeah, exactly the same as katate. Well, not quite exactly. I don't turn my hand this way for katate, but for morote, because I'm coming outside and up, okay, I have to move my hand like so. Okay? Then a rock. Okay? Sometimes when you feel it, you can do that. Okay, you see what I'm doing? And then this way. Right. Okay.